Hello internet marketers, thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am reviewing Digi Store Builder. So here I have it already set up in my account. It was super easy to set up. There's no databases to set up. There's no script installation, nothing too technical. You do need a hosting account and a domain name, and then you simply upload it via file manager or FTP software, and it's pretty much plug and play to get your store set up. So what is Digi Store Builder? It is a tool where you can launch your own online store selling info products like software, ebook, courses, videos, and it comes preloaded with 10 products you can sell already. And here it advertises how you can launch your store in 60 seconds flat. And I'll tell you what, that statement is absolutely true. It took me 30 seconds to actually launch this website. So here it is. This is the demo. So as you can see, everything is already pre-installed, pre-configured. It looks pretty good, pretty professional. Set this up in under 60 seconds, but you still have to, so you still gotta do some setting edits, but it's quick and easy once you're in the admin control panel, which is, I find it pretty easy to use as well. Go to edit settings down here, upload a new logo, add in your PayPal, and you can use HTTPS or not. It's up to you. It's probably better to use it if you have it. And I'm gonna change my zoom settings so it looks better. Okay, 90%. So now you can see total products. I got 6, and then we have courses 6, ebook 6, total services 6, and you can control the banners and testimonials, and you can even change the site color. So let's see how this works. So let's go with a little pink color, and I'll leave it green for now. So pretty much graphical user interface, simple layout. So let's go save this real quick. Let's see what the new pink color looks like. Alright, there it is. It actually looks pretty good. Okay, now let's go back to some product pages and see how that looks. So here we edit product pages. So here we have product 1, 2, 3. So let's try to add a new product. Okay, so to add more products, you have to actually go to the settings and then increase your products right here. So right now it's 6. So we have products, courses, ebooks, and free downloads and services. So if you want to add more products, so let's go to add 7 to total products for products. So that's kind of a weird naming where products, courses, ebooks, services. I would think products and ebooks would be in the same category, but not sure why they did it like that. But let's see. Now we go to edit product pages, and we see here product number 7. So you would add a product name, and then you enter in the price, the download link, and an image file, and the description, just like what you see here as the examples. So that's pretty easy to add it a new product. And then services, so let's check this out real quick. So here you can add in some services and use the arbitrage method to sell services, and then you can buy them from Fiverr or SEO clerks and then sell them back to your customers. like these right here, whiteboard animations. You can get from Fiverr for $5 to $20 and then resell them to local businesses for $99 and up. So let me check out ebooks. So here we have the catalog of all the ebooks, and you can click here to buy. The buy button will get you to PayPal. Buy button, it will lead me to PayPal, but I haven't set up my PayPal. So overall, store looks pretty good. It's nice, clean, easy to customize. There are some things that I don't like about it, is where if I want to add more details to this product, for instance, Facebook ad product, it doesn't have an individual product page for it, so it only has a limited number of space. I can add in text content, so that's a negative for experienced marketers that knows how to set up websites with WordPress or other open source e-commerce scripts. So if you're more experienced, you probably won't need this digital store builder, but if you're completely brand new and to the internet and want to sell info products online, this could be a good way for you. However, you can't just set it up and forget it. You still got to work on marketing your store for any kind of success. I hope this gives you some ideas on whether this Digi Store Builder is for you or not. Well, in any case, if you decide to buy, I appreciate it if you use my affiliate link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please check back to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks, as well as new reviews. Until next time, happy marketing.